Entry 1. Introduction. Welcome to Sincerely Alizeti. This isn't a platform, this is a place, a space I created to breathe, to speak my truth and heal out loud. I'm not here to teach, I'm here to remember, to whisper from the places I thought I had to silence. I call it whispers from her healing, but it's really just me learning to be soft again. If you're here, maybe you're healing too. I pray something here reminds you that your softness is sacred, and I hope you enjoy my series of poems, letters to myself during a time of healing.